Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. My name is Bryan Watson, owner of the Watson Housekeeping Group, an Airbnb cleaning company based in the Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Maryland, and Northern Virginia area. In this video, I'm going to talk to you today about supplies you need when starting an Airbnb cleaning business. Let's get into it. All right, so you're thinking about getting into the Airbnb cleaning business, and you're trying to figure out what supplies you need to get started. So I'm going to go through some of the supplies that we use when we do our turnovers. This is going to be a two-part video, so stay tuned for video 2. So one of the things that we use with our cleaning company that we can't live without is microfiber rags. They're very durable. You can wash them. You don't have to worry about throwing them. This helps you actually save money on cleaning cloths. So the good thing about using microfiber rags versus like paper towels or anything like that is that you have you're able to use them on different surfaces, like they're good on countertops, they're good on wood surfaces, they're good on glass, they're good on cleaning a bathroom, they're good on wiping off tile after you've already cleaned it to dry it. What else? They're good on stainless steel. And another good thing about microfiber rags is you can fold them in half. So using microfiber rags, 8 sides to a rag. All right, so the second thing that we keep in our arsenal are disposable gloves. I prefer nitrile gloves over vinyl or latex gloves, specifically because, latex and vinyl actually break out my hands, which I actually just learned. So you got to figure out what works best for you. But yeah, nitrile gloves, just like that they use in medical facilities, are really good, because you can use them, protect your hands from any germs or diseases, or any biohazard materials or anything like that. I mean, you can just take them off, throw them away. I always get packs of 100. They tend to last a lot longer. However, if you have a whole bunch of clients, you're going to be running through gloves like nonstop. So I always get packs of 2 to 4 at a time, just so my gloves last a little bit longer, and I'm not trying to figure out last minute, okay, where I'm gonna get gloves from, or if I do run out of gloves, I always have a backup box in the car or something like that, and I'm not cleaning Airbnbs or anything with my bare hands. All right, so the third thing that you're gonna need is cleaning agents. So you're gonna need a cleaning agent for surfaces, you're gonna need a cleaning agent for stainless steel appliances and trash cans. You're also gonna need a cleaning agent for bathrooms, and you're gonna need a cleaning agent for floors. So that's 4 different cleaning agents that you're gonna need for your Airbnb cleaning business. So for surfaces, we like to use Lysol cleaning solution because it does get rid of 99.9% of germs, including the COVID-19 virus. And for stainless steel, we get a general stainless steel cleaner. It does very well. Gives a nice little polish, a nice little shine. For the bathroom, you're gonna need a toilet bowl cleaner, and I would recommend a cleaner for the shower as well. Scrubbing bubbles is actually pretty good. Works very well for us. We're not affiliated with them in any way, but they work very well for us, and those are products that I can recommend that you get. As far as floors, you have different types of flooring. You got wood flooring, you got tile, just to name a few. We have a really good wood floor cleaner that we get from Target. It works very well on the wood. As far as the tile goes, we use Lysol mixed with a little bit of water, to help clean the floor, clean and disinfect the floors. Fourth, you're gonna need I guess this falls under cleaning agent, but you're gonna need a disinfectant spray. Typically Lysol, again, is our go-to, because again, it kills 99.9% of germs as well as kills the COVID-19 virus. So that's always our go-to. We spray down surfaces, and we spray the fabric, pillows, chairs, like you name it, like coat hangers, like we're spraying out everything with Lysol to disinfect, because you never know what a guest might have that stayed there, so you just got to be cautious and make sure you take the time to really sanitize and disinfect the area. Our next go-to is a lint roller. So a lint roller comes in handy when it comes to hair. Hair is the #1 thing that can cause your host to get a bad review, and also it looks bad on you as a cleaning company. You don't want any hair to be found or left at the property after you clean. So we use lint rollers to go over fabric surfaces, to make sure that there is no unseen hair. That's what you got to be worried about. The unseen hair is a problem. So use a lint roller to go over fabric surfaces, go over sheets, make sure you wash those sheets though. The next thing that you're gonna need is you're gonna need something to carry all of your supplies in. And our go-to is a comfortable carrying bag. I'll put a link to it in the description so you can see the type of bag that we use. So the bag that we use, it has a strap to it. You can put it over your shoulders, very comfortable. It also has handles to it. It has several different compartments where we can put cleaning agents, put supplies and stuff like that. It also has like places for hooks, the hook racks. I can put stuff in the different pouches, put a charger in there for any other supplies that I might need, or phone charger, anything like that. Oh, I almost forgot about glass cleaner or Windex, because you got to clean the glass, whether it's a glass table or the mirror in the bathroom or just a stand-up mirror. You got to make sure that's clean with there's no fingerprints or streaks left on that or food or anything like that. So you got to make sure that you have either a Windex or a glass cleaner. And the last item I want to talk about on this video is a mop. So traditionally, a lot of people use a mop and bucket to clean the floors. However, we used to use that, but we found that it leaves streaks on the floor, and the floor generally doesn't look good. So we switched to using a mop that has a microfiber pad that we can change out and wash very easily. And what that actually does is when you use it on floors, it keeps the floor, it cleans the floor, but it also doesn't completely wet the floor up. Like the floor literally dries in like under a minute. We're using a microfiber mop, and it's clean. There's no dirt left. There's no footprints or anything like that left after using the microfiber mop. So I recommend getting a microfiber mop too that has a spray bottle attached to it, where you can just put your liquid in it, press the lever, and it'll spray the solution on the floor, and then you just go ahead and mop, versus you having to spray something down the floor every time as you move throughout the house trying to mop. I'm also going to put a link to that in the description as well as a link to all the supplies that I mentioned during this video down in the description below. So take a look at that and be on the lookout for the second video, where I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about some of the other supplies that I recommend and that we use for our Airbnb cleaning business here in the DMV area. So hope you found this video very helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and be on the lookout for some more videos. Talk to you later.